In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or deactivate your Slack account. Keep in mind that the steps may vary depending on whether you want to deactivate your account for a single workspace or permanently delete your account. Let's get started. First, open the Slack app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap Account. This will open your account settings in a web browser. Under Account Settings, on the Account page, scroll down and select Deactivate your account. Read the information on the screen, then tap Deactivate Account. If prompted, enter your password and confirm your decision. Once confirmed, your Slack account will be deactivated for that workspace, and you'll be signed out. If you want to permanently delete your Slack account, you'll first need to deactivate it. Permanent deletion is only available if your organization allows it, and in many cases, a workspace owner or organization admin must complete the deletion. That's it! Now you know how to delete or deactivate your Slack account. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.